Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live. So, I'm reading some news here, and Trump's trade war has cost the market trillions. And JPMorgan is saying that we're going to get half of it back. So, essentially what they're saying is the trade war has affected the entire market. And after a May equity sell-off, investors should be enjoying the June bounce. But that's as we navigate trade headlines, i.e. President Donald Trump's tweets, or what's in his head that day, and remain on the lookout for signs the Federal Reserve will cave on interest rate cuts. Frankly, things could get a lot duller for June, especially if you toss in fresh Middle East tensions that cropped up on Thursday. So essentially, JPMorgan Global Head of Quantitative and Derivative Strategy, Marco Kolanovic, says we could get a bigger bounce from all the damage trade war tensions have had on stocks. The U.S. economy is facing quite unique situation in which one individual can disrupt global trade and investment plans of U.S. corporations, tax consumers on a broad range of imports, says Kolanovic. We guess talking about president number 45. Given all of this, why are we not bearish on equities and the economy? Because the situation can also be undone on short notice, and many market segments already price in worst case outcomes, writes Kolanovic, who uses mathematical models to price securities. He notes the recent threat of Mexico tariffs that came and went fast. He thinks a US-China trade deal logically going into an election year could reverse about half of the market damage seen so far. So he believes that we could see a huge jump. This would translate into a quick approximately 5% rally in broad markets and a 10 to 20% rally in value and high beta. As a strong market and avoiding a recession would boost re-election odds, it would only be rational to expect this outcome, he said. By value, he means lower price stocks that have fallen out of favor, while high beta are viewed as riskier stocks, but can mean bigger reward. Stay tuned, guys. People are predicting a big bounce is coming. Remember, I've told you guys this. Buy in the red, sell in the green. Our time is coming. The resurrection is near. Stay tuned. I got some surprises for you. It's your boy Rich, and I'm out. Peace.